What is encephalitis and how does it affect the brain? Encephalitis is a serious medical condition in which the brain tissue itself becomes inflamed. Unlike meningitis, which mainly affect the protective membranes surrounding the brain and spinal cord, encephalitis directly affect areas responsible for memory, movement, sensation, behavior, and other important functions. Because of the brain is enclosed within the rigid skull, severe inflammation or swelling can increase the pressure inside the skull and become life-threatening. Encephalitis can develop for different reasons, but infectious and autoimmune causes are the two major categories. Viral infections are among the most common infections causes. Herpes simplex virus can cause severe encephalitis and may particularly affect the temporal and frontal regions of the brain. Other viruses including mosquito-borne viruses such as West Nile virus and Japanese encephalitis virus can also cause brain inflammation. Enterovirus and some childhood infections may occasionally lead to encephalitis as well. Another important form is autoimmune encephalitis. In these conditions, the immune system is mistakenly attack healthy brain cell or neural protein. Antibodies and immune cells can interfere with normal brain signaling and producing inflammation and neurological symptoms. Some cases may be associated with underlying tumor, while others occur without an identified trigger. Symptoms can begin with fever, fatigue, body acne, headache, or other flu-like complaint. As the brain becomes affected, more serious neurological symptoms may appear. This can include confusion, disorientation, personality or behavior changes, memory problem, hallucinations, seizures, weakness, coordination difficulties, speech problems, sensitivity to light. In some cases, consequences can deteriorate and persons may progress to stupor or coma. Brain inflammations can also damage neurons and disrupt communication between brain cells. Inflammatory chemicals and immune activity may cause swelling, cellular injury,